Even though we can use calculators, I'm going to multiply every term on both sides by 100 to get rid of my decimals. Multiplying by 100 will move the decimal 2 places to the right. So that'll be 12x plus 30, x minus 2 equal 1 times 2x minus 1. So that's 12x plus 30x minus 60 equals 2x minus 1. And that's 42x minus 60 equal 2x minus 1. I want to combine those like terms. Now I'm going to subtract a 2x from both sides. And that's going to give me 40x minus 60 equals negative 1. And I'm going to add 60 to both sides. And that will give me 40x equal 59. And then x equals 59 divided by 40. Email me back and let me know what you were doing wrong.